spoken about the impact of your education as an artist, and particularly the way that minimalism and conceptualism were portrayed. And a lot of your earlier work, the graffitied or geometric works in particular, were a direct reaction to that, trying to kind of like exercise that experience.
So when I started art school, I was part of a generation of artists that were being taught by another generation of artists. They were coming from an ideology and a background of postmodernism, and these things, the histories of these artists and how they used other histories was it spoke to me a lot. Minimalist work, geometric work, was supposed to look as if nobody made it, that there was no gesture in it whatsoever, that it was a distance from the artist that historically meant you were to make it. And I think for me, I started to look at minimalist work, geometric work in response to kind of architecture studies, and to think that people live in these things, or if there are a notion of architecture as incarceration, like
right.
What is the kind of inscription of that? How do you identify these kind of spatial geometric cubes as completely indebted to demarcation and gesture?
Right.
Somebody lives around them. They live in them. They live. They want to put their name on them. They want to inscribe them. And so that to me became a kind of thing that was a merger of geometric minimalist works with more abstract work.